Hey guys, Jordan from Buy 9 to 5, and today I have something really cool I want to show you guys that I've been working with for a while. So I've been hearing a lot of people tell me about this particular software, and I have kind of put off trying it for a couple years now. But now I tried it because they're on a sale, and that's why I'm telling you guys about it right now. As you can see right here, right now it's only $36. It usually is $97. That's why I kind of took my time kind of diving into it. But once I saw they had this $36 sale, I'm like, okay, now's the time. I want to jump in. I want to try this stuff. A lot of you guys don't like making thumbnails. A lot of you guys complain you take hours to make thumbnails and you can't make really good ones. And thumbnails are really, really important. Click-through rate really helps you get suggested by YouTube. So that's where this is really going to help you guys out, because you can make a really, really nice looking thumbnail in like 2 minutes. So let me walk you through a couple of things it does before I show you. First of all, there's like hundreds of really, really awesome looking templates that you can just jump in, change the text, what it says, and then, add whatever you want, take out whatever you want, and you're done in a couple minutes, and you don't even have to be creative. The other thing it does is it has an AI where you can put in a video link, and it will actually spit out a thumbnail for you based on what your video is, so you don't even have to create the thumbnail at all, which is another amazing thing. It also does split testing, to where you can put in a couple different thumbnails that you think are good if you don't know which one you want to use, and it will rotate out the thumbnails automatically for you. And then basically assess which ones are doing the best, and then it will put whatever one did the best on there for you. So that's a really, really cool feature as well. Something that a lot of people do is rotate thumbnails for split testing, but this is cool because it does it automatically for you. Is this AI image analyzer. So you can put in your thumbnail once you're done. It will tell you how likely it is to be marked as adult content, medical, spoof, violent, or racy content. So it's going to tell you, whether, it's using like the YouTube algorithms basically to tell you, whether YouTube's going to think this is a good thumbnail for you to use or not acceptable or whatever. So one of the really cool things as well is it's all inside of a website. So you can actually edit this stuff like on your phone and stuff like that. So since it's all web-based, you can literally come in and from any computer, from any device, from anywhere around the world, wherever you happen to be. So you can log into your account, right? And you can go in and edit this stuff, with your phone or whatever, no matter where you are, because it's all uploaded online to the cloud. So let me dive in a little deeper, show you guys some of the cool things this thing does. So as you can see right here, I'm in my Buy 9 to 5 account, and I am lifetime click-through rate right now is what I am filtered by. And as you can see here, my newest video, look at this, 28.5% click-through rate, okay? And then these are on my sales page, so that's why the click-through rates are high on that. And then that's from this software, that's from the software, that's from the software, and that's from the software. So all of my top ones from the software are, my top click-through rates. And if you guys know, click-through rate helps you get suggested on YouTube. So if you have better click-through rates along with watch time, you're going to get recommended a lot more. So as you can see, all my other videos are literally between 5 to 6%, 7%. But all of my top click-through rates, 8, 9, 11, and 28 are all from this software. So this software is really, really helping me get a lot more click-through, which is helping me get suggested more, and just helping me have better thumbnails for people to watch. So let me jump in real quick and show you guys everything that this thing can do. So one of the cool things, so I'm on my girlfriend's account if you guys are wondering, but so anyway, you go in here to thumbnail creator, okay? And so what you see here is you can start with no video, or you can start from a video link. So basically inside the software, there's an AI that will actually, if you put a link into the video, it will actually read the video and give you what thumbnail you should be using. So if you guys don't like creating your own videos, you don't have to. You can put in a link, and it will literally create the thumbnail for you. So you don't even have to create the thumbnail. I know a lot of you guys spend a lot of time creating thumbnails. Well, with this, you don't even have to. I don't usually use that because I like to create my own thumbnails. But for those of you who don't, that works really, really well. So really, really cool feature there. Or you can start with no video, which is what I usually do, and then look at all these awesome templates. So what I've noticed is that a lot of these are actually online. Are actually being used on YouTube, and I never even noticed, right? And so you can use any of these templates, and then you can jump in and actually edit them all you want, okay? So as you can see, they have some really cool different thumbnails that you can use. Now, if you see the purple here, that is because I don't have the Pro version, which I am going to do the Pro version like right after this video, actually, because there are so many more that I'm missing out on, and it's not that much more expensive. But look at all these different things that you can use here. It's amazing. And then they got all the ones I've made down here, as you can see right there. And so, yeah, I'm missing out on all these different ones. And so I'm definitely going to get the Pro version because you get these right here. But that's fine. And you can create your own too. So you don't have to use, so you can use any one of these. You can dive in and edit any of these. So you can come in here and be like, use template. As you can see, it's all right here, and you can literally go to layers and you can edit any of this stuff. You can click this and be like, make. You can click that and be like, make money online. You see that? You can get rid of this face and put your own face in there. You can upload images. There's hundreds of shapes that you can use, as you can see with all these arrows and everything. So really, really cool there. And it's a really easy way. Literally, it's really good looking templates, and all you gotta do is edit it up a little bit and change the text or whatever, and throw in whatever you want. So I could come down here to social, and I could grab this YouTube play button right here, and I could just like put that on there. Just like that. So, I mean, you can edit this stuff all you want. So let me go back here and show you guys some more of the features that it has, and then I'll go in and make a thumbnail from scratch just to show you guys how much I like it. So one of the things that you can do is split test. So I haven't tried this yet, but a lot of people really love it. So basically what you do is you upload multiple thumbnails, because a lot of times you kind of have a couple different ideas for a thumbnail, but you don't know which one's the best. This one will rotate for you automatically and put whatever one is actually performing the best. So it'll upload a thumbnail, and then after a couple days or whatever, I don't know how long it is, it'll change to the other one. And then it will kind of split test and see which one is actually performing better. Then it will automatically put whatever one which was performing better on your channel for you. So really cool. That'll happen if you put your YouTube account on here right here. You can also upload thumbnails directly from the software, or you can just download it and put it on yourself. But the split test is really cool. So that's a couple things that it does. Another thing it does is this AI image analyzer. So you can put in your thumbnail once you're done. It will tell you how likely it is to be marked as adult content, medical, spoof, violent, or racy content. So it's going to tell you, whether, it's using like the YouTube algorithms basically to tell you, whether YouTube's going to think this is a good thumbnail for you to use or not acceptable or whatever. And so one of the things I really like is how easy it is to like put good looking text and like badges for text on. So let me go in here and show you really quickly. So if you come in here, start with no video is what I usually do, and then just start from scratch. There's tons of templates, so if you guys aren't creative, the templates are really going to help you guys out a lot. But what I really like, and so what I do is, so a lot of times when I try to upload one of my pictures, it will say it's too large. So my workaround for that is to use Canva. And so what I'll do is say I have, one of these pictures that I'm trying to use for Canva or whatever, right? So like this picture, we'll just pick one like this one. If I try to upload this picture and it tells me it's too large, all I do is come in here and I'll put it here on Canva, okay? And then I'll usually edit the colors and stuff on Canva. So I'll just do this real quick, change the whatever, right? Okay. And then just click download. After I download that, then I can take that download and put that in here as upload image. And basically what that does for you is it kind of takes down the amount of pixels on the picture so that you're able to then put it on Canva. So that's usually what I do. So like this one right here, that's what I did. I put my theater picture in Canva. I edited the color. I dropped myself into the picture like that. Then I downloaded it. Then I put it in here so I could put text on it. So that's what I normally do. And so what I really love is, if you guys know, like the best performing thumbnails are ones where the text really, really pops. And this does a really great job of that. So for instance, you could take this right here, right? And then what I really love is you can do like make, right? And then you can change the color to whatever the heck you want. And then what I really love is this right here, this stroke. This is something that like you can't do on Canva, okay? So you can change this to black, and then it just makes it really, really pop. Then you just go into layers real quick, and you can move this over. You can resize it, do whatever you want. I mean, look how big it is, and it's still high quality, right? So that's what I mean, so this really just in itself helps, okay? And then what I really like also is all these badges and buttons here that you can put on. And so this is really, really nice because you can do... See, so it has like cool stuff like this, right? Where you can literally go like that, go like this, right? So they got all these really cool badges where it's really, really easy to just plop in whatever you want to do. So just like this. And then again, you can change it to whatever you want to do. But what I really love is this stroke right here. That right there. I mean, that's what makes the thumbnails pop. Like, just the text alone on this thing, the way it makes it pop is just so awesome. And then there's all this other stuff that I haven't even really played with yet that's really, really cool. The other really cool thing is that you can get stuff from Pixabay. So if you type in golf, there's actually images that come in from Pixabay, and actually Pixabay usually costs a lot of money to get stuff from, right? Well, this literally just gives it to you. So you can literally just take one of these images or whatever and put it in, and it's completely free for you to do, which is really cool. So that's another really cool thing that it does as well. And so I've been making all my thumbnails with this since I started using it, because the deal that they have right now is so like good, to where, you know, it was the perfect time for me to try it out, right? The other really cool thing is this right here. This, you can also do shadows and stuff. So as you can see, we'll do like on this one, shadow. And so you can do shadows. You can make it as big as you want. You can move it however you want to do. So you can make it all like blurry so it kind of like fits together, you know. You can move the layers so that, you know, it goes over whatever you want it to go over. Like that. It's got these shadows that make it look cool and all that. So really, really cool, man. I love this thing. As you can see, like, that just pops, right? Like, the text, the badges, all that stuff just pops. But on top of that, the AI will literally spit out a thumbnail for you if you don't want to create your own thumbnail. And they have all these awesome templates that you can literally use. And when you're done, you just hit save and continue, or you can hit save as JPG, but save and continue and then save as PNG, right? And that's all you have to do. Like, it's really, really cool. And then you can just go back to the thumbnail creator, and it's all inside the website. So one of the really cool things as well is it's all inside of a website. So you can actually edit this stuff like on your phone and stuff like that. So since it's all web-based, you can literally come in and from any computer, from any device, from anywhere around the world, wherever you happen to be. So you can log into your account, right? And you can go in and edit this stuff, you know, with your phone or whatever, no matter where you are, because it's all uploaded online to the cloud, which is really, really cool. All of these different things right here, like I said, all the purple ones, you have to have the pro version, which I'm gonna get because there's so many good looking thumbnails, and you can just go in and edit whatever part of it you want to do, which is really, really nice. You can also come in here and you can type different niches. So like you can come in here and look for different niches. Golf, and like there's one right there that's already created for you. So really, really nice. And that's just one niche. Obviously you can do like basketball, and there's a couple thumbnails there for basketball. So just this really like takes to having to create it out of it. You're gonna get a really, really nice looking thumbnail that you really don't have to be creative at all. Whatever one you like the look of, you can just literally take that one, right? You can be like, oh, I really like this one. This one looks cool. And then all you got to do is go in and, obviously it's going to say you need the pro version, right? But then, say you have the pro version, you click on that one. But again, all you got to do is click use template. You're like, oh, I really like the look of this one. All I need to do is change the text, right? Maybe get rid of this girl. Just click delete, right? And so then you just change the text, and then you could like put yourself on there or put Donald Trump on there or whatever you want to do. Again, if you try to upload Donald Trump and it doesn't work, just go into Canva first, put Donald Trump on Canva, download it, then put that in there, and then it will fit perfectly. And that's all you got to do. So I freaking love this thing. I'm going to be using it for every thumbnail I do from now on. So like I said, right now they're on a huge deal. So you can go ahead and read through all of this stuff right here. Watch all the videos and everything, and you'll see all the awesome things that this thing does. But again, this thing is normally $97. That's why I've been waiting on it, haven't purchased it yet. And then I finally went ahead and purchased it when I saw that it was on a sale for $36. And I'm loving it so far, guys. So go ahead and jump into this thing before it turns to $97. You do have a 60-day money-back guarantee, so nothing to lose on that. Something I wanted to share with you guys because it's blowing up my channel, man. As you can see, again, all of my top click-through rates on Lifetime for my Buy 9 to 5 are all made on there. That's because it looks really nice and the text is really popping and all those sort of things. So really helping my channel grow. So I know this will help you guys out as well. Go ahead and jump in on that sale. You have nothing to lose with that 60-day guarantee. And that, dude, the $37 is absolute steal. And then if you want the pro templates as well, you'll have to get that one as well. I don't know how much that one is, but I don't really care because it looks so good that I'm definitely jumping into the pro version right now. So, all right, hopefully this helps you out.